At the next Japan Mobility Show in Tokyo, Mitsubishi will debut a new off-road minivan as a potential replacement for the Delica. The new MPV will debut as a concept in October. It's probable that some of the design choices made for this van, which has yet to be given a name, will be carried over to the next generation Delica, seeing as how Mitsubishi describes it as a crossover MPV. This minivan is equipped with all-wheel drive and has sufficient ground clearance to accommodate a protective body kit. In addition to its striking trunk mounted on the roof, the design also has an angular body and optics in the shape of an LED strip. The new device, meanwhile, claims to have a roomy interior. We tried to render it based on the official image teaser. The greatest reveal of the Japan Mobility Show is when we find out for sure if this is the next generation of the Mitsubishi Delica. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you're interested in staying abreast of developments pertaining to these automobiles.